Guys, NaJae back here with another video. This time I will be talking about the new freebies for the month of March 2020. Let's just jump right into it, okay? So if you were to reach 100 PV, you would get the 5 ml bottle of Valor, and you'd be saving $52.30. If you were to reach 190 PV, you would be getting the JuvaFlex Vitality, Clarity Essential Oil, and Valor Essential Oil, and they're all 5 ml bottles sizes, and you would be saving $114.14. So 3 essential oils on top of all the other products that you pick out. Those 3 oils will be free on top of the products that you pick out. Okay, if you were to reach 250 PV, you would get a travel size bag, the JuvaFlex Vitality, the Clarity, and the Valor Essential Oil. And you would be saving $139.14 for those 4 items. And then for the big size one, if you were to reach 300 PV, you would get Gentle Baby, that is 15 ml bottle, and that's really good for diffusing, also applying topically and aromatically. Topically, you can put it on your wrist. I heard that's a really good idea, and then you rub it on you. And then, if you're a new mom, new grandparent, any type of guardian, and you have kids, Gentle Baby is a really good one to diffuse. It's very comforting and very soothing. And it's, like I said, it's safe for kids, so you can diffuse it in a kid's room and walk away. It's okay. It's safe. And it like I said, it's very comforting. Calms the baby down. It really puts them to sleep, actually. But you would have to try it to believe me. Next, you will get the travel bag, and that fits about 10 of the oils, 5 ml bottles sizes, and then the other 5 will be the 15 ml bottle sizes. And then, like me, I love to take almost all my oils with me, but I can't just yet. So I take a few of them that I know that I might need, and it fits right in your purse. So it's a really good deal to have that. The JuvaFlex Vitality is a very powerful blend, and is best taken internally. If you don't like the taste of certain oils and you don't want to put it in your water or anything, you can actually get capsules, and you can put a few drops in the capsule, and you can take it that way internally. You can add this Vitality oil to water and green smoothies. So I heard that's a really good thing. I'll let you guys know if I try that way and if I like it. Clarity Essential Oil, you can apply that to the forehead. I can honestly say that I like Clarity Essential Oil. It's one of my top favorites because it does help clear your mind. It helps you to focus on things you're really supposed to be focusing on and not stressing out. Okay? So if you're the type of person who has 100 things on your mind, Clarity Essential Oil is a really good one to have. And then last but not least is Valor Essential Oil. And that is it has really popular blends in it. And it is actually formulated by DeJean. It has really grounding oils in it. And it's very good for emotional support, confidence, and bravery. So, like I said, if you're really nervous, I've heard when people go to the dentist, if you're not a big fan of needles like I am, you can actually apply Valor topically, and that should help you. I've seen people say it's really helped them to be really calm, to be able to not be so nervous, because even speaking in front of crowds, if you have to do that, Valor Essential Oil is a really good one. So you would be saving $203.28 if you were to reach 300 PV. The 300 PV is whatever products or any items that you wish to get. And then if you were to reach 300 PV, you're getting 5 products for free on top of the orders you already got. So it's a really good deal. If you aren't signed up for Essential Awards, let me know and I will help you. Also, if you aren't signed up for Young Living at all, that's a really good thing to do. Also, I want to give you guys a quick shout out. I did get another essential oil kit, a starter kit, so that will be in my next video. It's a brand new diffuser and a few new oils that I haven't gotten since I had received my first kit, but I needed to kind of get something new. So be on the lookout for that next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!